It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Jeep Compass. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, a door speaker. You'll notice we have red stitching on the door. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, rubber floor mats on the floor, a manually adjusted driver's seat with a leather interior, and Trailhawk embroidery in both front seats. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio controls and Bluetooth command. To the right, we have the cruise control buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are some interior light buttons. Next up is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. We've got our radio, media options down below. We also have our heated front seats along with the heated steering wheel, the climate control buttons, and this screen also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for our infotainment screen are down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive along with various drive modes, some USB ports and power plug-ins. Just below the shifter is the auto stop start button, the electric park brake, and traction control. At the front of the Compass, we have red tow hooks, fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black splash guards, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood, heated side mirrors, black roof rails, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, remote start, the rear window wiper, and next I'll open up our lift gate here. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space. We've got some lighting back here, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. So come take a look at the 2019 Jeep Compass Trailhawk, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder. There's also red stitching there on the door, and that carries through into the seats. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets, rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-ins, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to fold these rear seats down with ease by pulling the seat release on the top of the seat.